Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are checking out the top 5 best pickleball paddles designed for control, power, and comfort on the court. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced player, these paddles offer great performance and value. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Jula Professional Pickleball Paddles, Charged Surface Technology for Power and Feel. Select Perseus or Hyperion shape, fully encased carbon fiber, USAP approved, well balanced with pop and control. The Jula Professional Pickleball Paddle lineup is designed for players who want a refined balance of power, control, and feel. These paddles feature fully encased carbon fiber construction, giving them a solid and responsive performance profile suitable for competitive and advanced recreational play. The build quality reflects Jula's long-standing reputation in paddle sports. The Perseus shape emphasizes balance and stability, while the Hyperion shape provides extended reach and added leverage. This flexibility allows players to select a paddle that matches their playing preferences and court positioning. The well-balanced weight distribution helps reduce fatigue during long matches. Maneuverability at the net feels quick and controlled, while baseline shots retain depth and pace. The paddle responds consistently across the face, minimizing dead spots and improving shot reliability. USAP approval makes these paddles suitable for tournament play. The edge guard is designed to protect the paddle without adding unnecessary bulk, maintaining a clean swing profile. Grip comfort supports extended play sessions and provides a secure feel during fast exchanges. Number 2. Tanvina Pickleball Paddles, Multi-Layer T700 SC Textured Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle, for types of thicknesses and shapes, USAPA approved pickleball paddle, strong power and spin surface. The Tanvina Pickleball Paddles are designed for players looking for customization, power, and spin through advanced materials and thoughtful design. Built with multi-layer T700 SC textured carbon fiber, these paddles focus on delivering strong shot response while maintaining control across different play styles. One of the standout features is the availability of 4 thickness options and multiple paddle shapes. This allows players to fine-tune their paddle choice based on preferred feel, power output, and control. Thinner cores emphasize speed and pop, while thicker cores enhance touch and vibration dampening. The textured carbon fiber surface supports excellent spin generation. This helps players add topspin and slice to shots, improving shot variety and consistency. The surface also provides reliable ball grip without sacrificing durability. Power performance is noticeable on drives and serves, while control remains solid during soft shots at the net. The paddle responds evenly across the face, helping reduce mishits and maintain shot accuracy. Balance is designed to support both aggressive baseline play and quick net reactions. USAPA approval ensures the paddle meets competitive standards for organized play. The grip is comfortable and secure, helping maintain control during extended rallies and fast-paced exchanges. Edge protection helps preserve the paddle during regular use. Overall, the Tanvina Pickleball Paddles offer flexibility, spin-focused performance, and strong power potential, making them a versatile choice for players who want customizable options without sacrificing competitive readiness. Number 3. Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddles Set of 2 designed in the USA. Choose the SLK Neo Graphite, SLK Neo Fiberglass Pickleball Set or SLK Atlas Pickleball Bundle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Pickleball Paddle Sets are designed for players who want dependable performance with a focus on balance, comfort, and playability. Designed in the USA, these paddles reflect Selkirk's experience in producing high-quality pickleball equipment for both recreational and competitive players. Buyers can choose between different SLK options, including the SLK Neo Graphite, SLK Neo Fiberglass, and the SLK Atlas Bundle. Each option is designed to suit different playing styles. The graphite version emphasizes control and quick response, while the fiberglass version delivers more power and forgiveness on off-center hits. The paddle faces are engineered to provide consistent ball contact, helping players maintain accuracy during dinks, volleys, and baseline shots. The core construction supports a balanced feel that works well for beginners and intermediate players looking to improve their game. Grip comfort is a key focus, offering a secure and cushioned feel during extended play sessions. The handle length and grip size are designed to accommodate a wide range of hand sizes, making the paddles accessible to most players. These sets are ideal for doubles play, practice sessions, or casual competition. USAPA approval ensures the paddles meet standards for organized play. The build quality supports regular use while maintaining reliable performance. Overall, the Selkirk SLK pickleball paddle sets offer trusted design, multiple material options, and balanced performance, making them a solid choice for players seeking dependable paddles from a well-known brand. Number 4. Pickleball paddle set of 4 or 2 rackets by Jonkai, USAPA approved pickleball equipment with balls, bag, accessories, fiberglass graphite pickleball racket set for men, women. The Jonkai pickleball paddle sets are designed for players who want a complete and ready-to-play package. Available in sets of 2 or 4, these kits include paddles, pickleballs, a carrying bag, and useful accessories. This makes them suitable for families, groups, or players new to the sport. The paddles are constructed using fiberglass and graphite materials to provide a balance of durability, power, and control. The surface offers consistent ball response, helping players maintain accuracy while learning proper technique or enjoying casual matches. USAPA approval allows these paddles to be used in organized and recreational play. The design supports stable handling and reduced vibration, making them comfortable for extended sessions. Weight distribution helps provide steady swings and controlled shots. The included accessories add convenience and value. The carrying bag allows easy transport and storage, while the included balls make it possible to start playing immediately. This setup is well suited for outdoor courts, driveways, and community play areas. Grip comfort is designed for both men and women, with handles that provide a secure feel during play. The paddles are suitable for beginners and intermediate players who want reliable equipment without the need to purchase additional gear. Overall, the Jonkai pickleball paddle sets deliver convenience, solid performance, and complete value, making them a practical choice for group play and entry-level pickleball enthusiasts. Number 5. Pickleball paddles, USAPA approved fiberglass surface pickleball set with pickleball rackets, pickleball paddles set for men-women. This pickleball paddle set is designed for players looking for an accessible and versatile option suitable for men and women. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface that provides a good balance of power and forgiveness, making them well suited for beginners and casual players. The fiberglass face delivers responsive ball contact, allowing players to generate consistent shots without excessive effort. This helps build confidence during rallies, serves, and net play. The core construction supports stable performance and helps reduce vibration on impact. USAPA approval ensures the paddles meet standards for recreational and competitive play. This makes them suitable for practice, local games, and organized events. The design emphasizes reliability and ease of use rather than aggressive performance tuning. The set includes multiple paddles, making it convenient for doubles matches or shared use. Weight and balance are designed to support comfortable swings and reduce arm fatigue during longer sessions. Grip design focuses on comfort and control, providing a secure hold even during fast exchanges. The paddles are durable enough for regular use on outdoor courts while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. Overall, this fiberglass pickleball paddle set offers straightforward performance, accessibility, and dependable construction, making it a good option for players who want simple and reliable equipment for everyday play. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best pickleball paddles here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these paddles caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.